In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search using ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a fresh conversation, enable the built-in option that lets ChatGPT look something up, and ask for results like trendy shoes and clothes so you can get helpful, current suggestions in seconds. First, start by creating a new chat. A fresh chat gives ChatGPT a clean slate so your request isn't influenced by anything you've asked before. Open ChatGPT and select New Chat. You'll see the familiar message box at the bottom of the screen, ready for your prompt. Right beneath that text bar, look for the option that says, Look something up. Select it. This tells ChatGPT that your next prompt should involve searching for information rather than just relying on general knowledge. Think of it like flipping on a research mode. Once it's on, you don't need to do anything else special. Just type your request as you normally would. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're in a new chat and glance just below the space where you type. It should be right there when supported. Now, try asking ChatGPT to find something specific. For example, type something like, "Find trendy shoes and clothes." Keep it simple and clear. If you already have preferences, you can include them right in that same message, such as the style you're after, your budget range, the season, or the stores you like. Adding just a bit of detail helps ChatGPT bring back more focused results without making things complicated. After you send your request, ChatGPT will look something up and present results that match your prompt. Expect a concise overview with options that fit what you asked for. You might see categories, brief descriptions, or curated pics that align with your style. From here, you can skim the suggestions and, if something catches your eye, ask for more details in the same chat. For example, you can say, "Show me similar sneakers under a specific price," or refine by color, material, or occasion. You don't need to restart anything. Just continue the conversation. If a recommendation seems close but not quite right, a quick follow-up like "Make it more casual" or "Focus on sustainable brands" will nudge the results in the direction you want. That's all there is to it. Create a new chat, turn on Look Something Up under the text bar, ask for what you want, and let ChatGPT bring back helpful, up-to-date options. Give it a try with trendy shoes and clothes, then tailor the conversation until the results feel just right.